Hi, Mrs. Tinsley's friends. It is Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday. So it is time to do our calendar. Okay, let's see. We are in September. Let's do our months of the year because we didn't do that yesterday. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, so we are in September, and yesterday was September the 15th. What comes after 15? Oh, let's go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here is what a 16 looks like. It is a 1 and a 6, and it is green. So we are putting it on there, okay? So we put it under the Wednesday, okay? So today is Wonderful Wednesday. Okay, so let's look at our patterns real quick, and then we'll do our yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Okay, let's see. We have red, green, 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 red, green. What will tomorrow be? Will it be red or will it be green? Red, green, red. We have an A-B pattern. A, B, 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 A will be tomorrow. Okay, so friends, what day of the week is today? Who remembers what Mrs. Tinsley called it? And I actually forgot to say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you're watching this. I'm sorry. I got ahead of myself and got excited, didn't I? Excited to do our calendar. Okay, so what day is today? I said it is wonderful Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Okay, so we'll put that right here. So today is Wednesday. Let's clap that out. Today is Wednesday. Good job. 3 words in that sentence. Today is Wednesday. Okay. We forgot to do our 7 days a week. We don't do that every day, but I'm doing it today. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. We said today is Wednesday. So what will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ooh, I'm sticking out my tongue. The naughty TH. Thursday. So tomorrow will be Thursday. It starts with a T and an H. Thursday. Okay? So let's clap. We'll say tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's clap that out. Tomorrow will be Thursday. How many? 4. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job. Okay, so what was yesterday? It's the day that comes before Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What came before Wednesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday starts with a T. Tuesday. So yesterday was Tuesday. Let's clap that out. Yesterday was Tuesday. 3 words. Yesterday was Tuesday. Good job. Okay, let's add a straw for the numbers of days that we have been in school. So this is another day that we've been in school. So we will add it to our ones place. So we have 110. So how many is this? 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have been in school 14 days. Let's add another tally mark. We should have 14 tallies. Let's count them. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need to write the 14, and the 14 is a 1 and a 4. We've been in school 14 days. Let's count to 14. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. Okay, it's time to write today's date. Let's do that with a brown marker today. Okay, we know that September is what month? The 9th month. Hold on just a moment, friends. My phone is ringing. I'll be right back, okay? Sorry about that, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Mrs. Hensley's older daughter, Adriana, was calling, so I needed to talk to her for just a little bit. Okay, let's go back to the date. Remember, September is the 9th month, so 9 dash, today is the 16th, 16 dash 20. 20 is the year, okay? Let's do the abbreviation September. SEPT period, 2 finger spaces, 16, comma, 2020. The long September month, September 16th, comma, 2020. Okay, so the date is there. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to do today on our wonderful Wednesday. Okay, we're starting with sound skills, working with beginning sounds. Then we're going to do a letter naming fluency. Mrs. Hensley loves listening to you guys do the letter naming fluency. And then we have an I Spy In page. We're spying words that start with N. And we have an in craft, and I have a feeling my boys are really going to like the in craft. And then we are doing a math game with dice, so you will have to get your dice out a little bit later. And we are putting together our We Like Apples sight word book, and you will be getting that out as well. And I'll show you what you need to do with that and where you need to get that a little bit later on. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome Wednesday. Mrs. Hensley will see you here in a little bit with our sound. Well, I won't see you with the sound skills because that's Mrs. Butari. But I will see you in a little bit with the letter naming fluency. I'll see you guys soon. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.